guys, welcome back to the Foraging Kitz channel. I know we've been showing you more of our treasure than we have the actual treasure hunt. There are reasons for that. We're trying, we're getting better, we're just not there yet. But on this particular day, Aiden decided to video the hunt from Tripp, the Foraging Jaguar's perspective. Blue times and dots. One dot.
Hey.
I know. Oh, you found one. Careful, this is all breakable, so don't get too close.
Pink?
Pink? I know.
All pinks.
Don't put pink on.
Wait. Okay, yellow. Mama?
Your duck is $1 now.
Hmm.
Your duck is $1.
That's one.
That's right. Oh, it would be one.
We get a duck. Then we get a duck.
Easy cheesy. Things are breakable. They're easy. Does that have a blue sticker?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It does? What color's its sticker? Yellow. That's a good one, Tripp, if we...
Wait, is this one the same as that one? Let's see.
They go together, but they're different.
Wow, what's the
Yeah. Christmas.
yellow? Pink. The blue? Oh, no, not more. What? I'm a turkey.
Easy, easy. Pink.
Those are two things. Yeah. Wait. Hey, it's Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Yeah. Grandma, just one. I just found poop. What is this?
You found
Poop? Good thing it's pink.
We'd have to buy poop if it wasn't pink.
What is it?
Yes, I don't know. What is that?
Wait. Oh.
I have no idea what that is.
Put it in here.
That's
Wait a minute. What is this one? Okay. Pink. Oh, Dr. Butt.
we're gonna
How did you just spoil it? Get it? And grab it. Ah. Just see what's the controller. What is it?
I don't know.
It's yellow.
That's pretty funny. 1980s handmade. That's pretty funny, Tripster.
Pink. Good pink. Pink. It's pink.
Yeah.
Grandma, do you think I see something?
What are they?
Marbles.
What kind of? Which ones?
Stego.
Stego.
Stegosaurus. T-Rex. And Brachiosaurus. And then Triceratops.
Okay. Yeah.
It's like a frog mirror.
A frog mirror.
Whoa.
That's interesting. Be very careful because mirrors are breakable.
Hey, look. It's pink.
Oh, it's blue.
It's blue and it's 5. Blue 5. This is a pink 4.
Need a mirror?
No, I don't. It's pink. What's that?
That?
Yes. Oh, you have to open his foot. That blue?
No label.
What?
No marking on the bottom to tell us what it is. It's not very heavy. It's very heavy.
It's yellow and it's green. Blue eight.
How much was the price on that trip? Was that a blue tag or that thing you were looking at? Was it a blue tag?
What?
This.
It's a yellow tag. Wait, was it on about that? Or that?
I did see that. That's extremely heavy.
Okay.
It looks like it has carrots on the inside. Yes.
We didn't get anything.
No, we haven't got anything. We haven't looked everywhere yet, though.
On guard. Shoes on the plane.
Flip flops.
Flip flops. I don't see what
I think
this
those are
one.
candle holders.
Candle. Oh, the yellow. The yellow.
Cool. What are those?
They are teacups and they're blue.
Got a blue sticker.
Yes, and it has 4. How many rocks there are? Hey, there's treats for dogs. Or cats. It's
I
okay.
think those are corks.
Pink. Candles with a lot of rocks. Candles with a lot of rocks.
Chinese checkers board?
I
don't know what Chinese checkers are, do you?
I know what
So you have marbles.
No?
Yeah. This board would have holes in it if you were playing this game, and it would have marbles. And the goal was to have your marbles jump like in checkers and get over to that spot. So
No.
blue's going to blue, green's going to green, red's going to red.
Hey,
Yes.
That's not red. That's orange.
Orange.
That's orange and that's red.
That's red. Grandma doesn't know her colors apparently.
I don't know what my ABC.
You don't know your ABCs? Hi, thank you. You don't know your ABCs yet?
No.
You don't. You're funny. That big terrain.
Hey, that looks like where we found the duck.
It does. It looks like the home of the duck.
It's a queen pig.
Looks like a piggy bank.
A queen pig. Bye. Hey guys, it's me, Tripp, the Foraging Jaguar. We found treasure.